My name is Aubrey Duplessis. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of NIMR Automotive, a company part of the EDGE Group. The RCV, it stands for Robotic Combat Vehicle. Part of EDGE's strategy to enter into the unmanned vehicle, unmanned aerial vehicle and unmanned ship domain. We've created this concept. As you can see, it's an 8x8 vehicle in a hybrid electric drive form. The special qualities of this one is the very low profile of the platform itself, and then also the modularity that we designed into it. You can replace this weapon system on here with another module, ready module with missile launchers, another one with anti-drone. We can do one for fuel. We can even do a personnel pod that will fit into the back of it. The other, of course, being an 8x8 is extremely high mobility and also a very fast, high speed. Top speed of 110 limited by tire size. Very high payload capacity of 12 tons on this vehicle also. This is the Long Range Special Operations Vehicle, or LRSOV, and as the name says, it's a vehicle designed and developed specifically for longer range reconnaissance missions. It's an open-top vehicle with a pipe frame, much reduced weight. Outstanding feature of this one is the high payload capacity. So we can put 2.5 tons of payload on the vehicle because, of course, for longer missions you need a lot more rations, you need more fuel, ammunition. As you can see from the vehicle itself, the ability to fit 5 personal weapons on it and also a roof-mounted weapon. The other distinguishing characteristic of the vehicle is that it can be underslung from a helicopter, a Chinook, or anything like that, which was the main improvement over previous versions that we had. Behind me, we have the Ajban vehicle on my right-hand side. That's a 4x4 vehicle. On the left-hand side, we have a 6x6 called the Hafeet vehicle. It's a family of vehicles. So we are aiming for the highest level of commonality in terms of drivetrain, suspension, cooling system, electrical system, all the protection. From the previous iteration of these vehicles, what we've done now, and first shown on this show, is a much higher axle capacity, more battery systems, more fuel, more electrical, more weapons, more ammunition, and keep the reliability of the vehicle and safety was to upgrade the axle system. So much improved axle system. Also from previous IDEX to now, what has happened is we've gone through a whole number of trials, tests, landmine tests. So this Ajban vehicle here is fully qualified, certified, ready to be delivered to customers.
Hi, I'm Julian Katia. I'm the CEO of Milkor UAE, and we are exhibiting at the IDEX NIMR 2023 exhibition for the third consecutive time now. We are displaying most of our products that we have in our range, the Milkor IPC, Milkor 4x4 and the Milkor UCAV. This year for us was very important to showcase our local capability that we have created over the past 3 years. We established our office in October of 2020, and since then we have established 3 manufacturing facilities, 2 in Abu Dhabi and 1 in Dubai, and we have created our locally grown products in these factories, and that is our biggest reason to be at the show this year, to showcase that capability that we have brought to the UAE and have now created our products as locally produced products. Yes, the Milkor IPC, which is an unmanned version now, much more sophisticated in an actual operation, but at least we can show some type of capability on the Milkor IPC that has unmanned capability. The second product is the Milkor 4x4x4, which is also locally produced. We are now actually in production to build stock for the UAE, for the export market, at least as a locally produced MRAP vehicle, which we are trying to export to other countries.
My name is Kuldar Värsi and I'm the CEO of Milrem Robotics. Milrem Robotics is a specialist company of ground robotics and ground robotic systems. What you can see behind me right now, it is a robotic combat vehicle called Type-X. This is designed to support the infantry fighting vehicles and main battle tanks. Technical parameters and capabilities are matching or even overmatching all the modern infantry fighting vehicles and main battle tanks today. So essentially this is a robotic system which is autonomous, if needed. This is hybrid. You can run on the batteries, but you have as well diesel generator to extend the range. Full range with one fuel tank is 600 kilometers, and you can move up to 80 kilometers per hour. You can equip it with very different payloads, but it's designed mainly to carry with 30mm or 50mm autocannon. So once again, to match the firepower of the infantry fighting vehicles. What is important as well, this system is already fully dynamically tested, so we have run many different dynamic tests, as well conducted the live firing several times, and now as well last week we were finishing the UK trials in the HMT network framework, which were very successful. This platform, which is quite unique in the world, not too many companies have similar capabilities, has really strong potential to support different armies. So what you can see here is Themis combat. This is to support the dismounted troops, much smaller than the Type-X. The product itself, Themis, it is already today delivered to 16 different countries, starting from Southeast Asia and ending up with US, and very strongly predominantly in Europe. What you can do here is to support the small units like squads with 12.7 or up to 30mm lightweight weapon systems, which provides, first of all, superior firepower, and secondly, and most importantly, safety. So you can keep your troops in the safe areas as you use the robotics to extend the standoff distance. What is important as well to mention that this system itself, the platform itself, has been deployed in Mali in Operation Barkhane together with French and Estonian armies, and now it is as well in the Ukraine. What you can see further behind me, we have as well here Themis Observe, which is meant to ISR missions, where we have equipped it with radar, with camera, with shot detection systems, and as well added a lightweight weapon system from the FN Herstal for the self-protection. So essentially providing the superior information from the front lines and sending it back to the troops.